Hey everyone! Welcome to or back to our channel. It's Melissa, and in today's video I will be making copycat Panera pumpkin muffins. So let's get baking! First things first, I'm going to preheat my oven to 350. Next up, I'm going to line my muffin pan. You're going to need to grab out 3 bowls, one for the dry ingredients, one for the wet ingredients, and one for the topping. We'll be adding 3 cups of all-purpose flour, next, I will be adding 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Next, I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Next, I will be adding 2½ teaspoons of cinnamon, 1½ teaspoons nutmeg, 1 teaspoon ginger, a ½ teaspoon cloves, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, I'm going to whisk this all together. In a separate bowl, I will be adding 1 cup of sugar. Next, I will be adding 2/3 cup of brown sugar. Technically, you're probably going to want a full cup of brown sugar, but I didn't have enough brown sugar, so I had to improvise a little bit, because we'll need some brown sugar for the topping as well. Alrighty, next I will be adding 2 cups of pumpkin puree. And make sure it is pumpkin puree and not pie filling. Next, I will be adding 3/4 cup of oil. Next, I will be adding 3 eggs. Always want to make sure you crack your eggs into a portion bowl before you add it into your batter or mixture or whatever you're making, just in case you get a little piece of shell or you get a rotten egg, which I've gotten a rotten egg before and that was not a fun time. But there we go. And next, I'm just going to mix this all together. Alrighty, so next I'm going to be adding our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients. I hope this bowl is big enough. Might be cutting it a little close there, but And then I'm just going to mix this all together. Next, I will be scooping our batter into the muffin pan. Now it is time to make the topping. In a small bowl, I will be adding 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons of butter, chilled, and then I will be adding a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Next, I will be adding a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. And lastly, I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. And now I will be taking a fork and just mashing it together. The butter into the sugar and cinnamon and flour. Make it kind of like a paste, per se.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless.
Alright, now that the butter is pretty much all broken down, it's kind of like this mixture here. We are going to put it on top of the muffins. Alright, for this one, I'm going to use a spoon. Take a little bit, sprinkle it on top of the muffin. Like so. Alright, time to put these muffins in the oven. And I'll be baking these for 20 minutes. Oh my gosh, those look so good. Look at those. I think they're done. Yeah, they feel done. Yay! And next I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar on top of the muffins.
Searching for greatness in a sea.
And there you have it, your copycat Panera pumpkin muffins. Enjoy! And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and come back for more. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure you try out some of these recipes. Thank you again.